news this evening, government and reggae superstar at odds over relief supplies. $35 billion needed to repair Jamaica's roads post-Melissa. And a teacher and her daughter stabbed to death at home in Spanish Town.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea.
Hi, well, Janella, I'm sure many persons enjoy bananas and plantains, whether ripe or green. Well, JP Farms is reporting significant damage in St. Mary. Plus, fuel prices are going up tomorrow. I'll give you those and more later in the business day.
And if you've been watching, so this is a yellow tie. This is yellow here. Andrew was in green. Well, yellow-ish. And he's decked out in the national colors. What's happening?
Yeah. It's the Reggae Boys Day. Well, hopefully it will be the Reggae Boys. They are now facing off with Trinidad and Tobago in a crucial World Cup qualifier. This in Trinidad. That match just about kicking off, and we'll bring you updates throughout our sportscast this evening. That and more to come.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But actually, before the break, the feedback question.
So this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the plan to hold all 3 rounds of the women's 100 meters on the first day of the 2028 Olympics? That sounds...
But of course, you can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail right after the break.